name is Michael Burgis. I'm the managing attorney of MB&A. I'm also a legal certified specialist in workers' comp. Essentially, there's two ways a workers' comp case can settle. One is called a stipulation. The other is called a compromise and release. Under a stipulation, all the injured worker is doing is stipulating legally to what the industrial injuries are, what the body parts are, what the compensation for their level of permanent disability is, and then under a stipulation, future medical theoretically left open. Now, the other way a case can potentially settle is something called a compromise and release, or what's referred to as a C&R. Generally, what that is doing is the insurance company is making one lump sum settlement to resolve everything, which includes a buyout of that future medical treatment. So, I work up both options. I tell my client what I legally recommend and why. I educate them on the cost and benefits of each, and then it's my client's choice.